Have you ever wondered why we, as humans, speak so many different languages? It's a question that's certainly food for thought, a myriad of languages, dialects and accents, all from one species. Intriguing, isn't it? To find a possible answer, we turn to an ancient text, the Bible, Genesis chapter 11 to be precise. Here we discover a captivating tale that attempts to explain this linguistic diversity. The story of the Tower of Babel in Genesis chapter 11 provides an intriguing perspective on this. In the beginning, everyone on earth shared a common language. Picture this, a world resonating with the harmonious hum of unity, a symphony of shared understanding echoing across the globe after the Great Flood. It was a time when mankind was bound together by a common tongue, an era of unparalleled solidarity. This collective force of humanity began a journey, moving eastward, away from the mountains where the ark had come to rest. They found a new home in the lush plains of Shinar, a land ripe with opportunity and promise. Here they decided to settle, laying down roots and establishing a community. In this newfound unity, they were more than just survivors. They were pioneers, innovators, dreamers. They were a unified race with a shared vision, embarking on a bold endeavor to shape their destiny. In this unified state, they embarked on a project that would ultimately lead to their division. Driven by ambition, they decided to build a city with a tower that reached to the heavens. This wasn't just any ordinary tower, but a monument to human achievement, a testament to their unity and shared language. They sought to make a name for themselves, to carve out their place in history. The Tower of Babel, as it would come to be known, was their grand project. It was a symbol of their collective strength, their shared aspiration, their audacious ambition. The construction of the tower was a feat of unprecedented scale. The people labored with a singular vision, their hands shaping bricks and mortar into a soaring structure that seemed to defy the very laws of nature. As the tower grew, so too did their confidence and pride. Little did they know their ambition was about to catch the attention of a higher power. God saw what the people were doing and was not pleased. The divine vision reached down from the heavens, piercing the veil of human hubris. The tower, an edifice of vanity, was a grievous sight in the eyes of the Lord. The response was swift and unequivocal. The Lord, in all his wisdom and power, decided to confound their language. Imagine, if you will, the sudden turmoil. One moment, a unified people, speaking one language, working towards one goal. The next, a cacophony of unintelligible sounds. The once harmonious work songs turned into a discordant symphony of confusion. Stonemasons couldn't understand the bricklayers. Architects could no longer communicate with the laborers. The unity that mankind had so tightly clung to shattered in an instant. But God's intervention did not stop at confounding their speech. He scattered them across the face of the earth, a divine diaspora that would forever change the course of human history. The people, once united in their ambition, now found themselves isolated and dispersed. Strangers in strange lands, they were forced to adapt, to learn, to grow. And so the city was named Babel, for it was there that the Lord confused the language of the whole world. A poignant reminder of the time when mankind dared to reach the heavens, only to be reminded of their place on earth. Genesis chapter 11 serves as a fascinating tale of ambition, unity, and divine intervention. It tells us of a time when humanity, united in purpose and language, sought to build a tower that could reach the heavens. But in their ambition, they forgot to acknowledge the divine, leading to a divine intervention that scattered them across the earth, each speaking a different language. This story serves as a reminder of the power of unity, as seen in the initial stages of the tower's construction. But it also cautions us about the danger of unchecked ambition that forgets the divine. The people's desire to make a name for themselves led them to overreach, resulting in their dispersion and confusion. In the end, the story of the Tower of Babel reminds us of the power of unity and the consequences of overreaching ambition. Remember, ambition is a powerful force, but it must always be tempered with humility and reverence for the divine.